Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. As a beginner, it's helpful to understand the main components and tools involved. Websites are made up of three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, provides the structure and content of a web page, like headings, paragraphs, and images. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, controls the appearance of these elements, things like colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity, such as responding to clicks, validating forms, or creating animations. To start, all you need is a text editor, like VS Code, Sublime Text, or even Notepad, and a web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. You can write your code in the text editor and view the results in your browser. As you progress, you'll learn about more advanced topics, such as responsive design, making websites look good on all devices, using frameworks like React or Bootstrap, and working with servers and databases. But mastering the fundamentals, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, is the essential first step for any aspiring web developer. Practice regularly, experiment with your own projects, and explore online resources to build your skills.